I'm Kelly Aerosmith, a licensed agent and broker with Aero Final Expense, and today we're going to go over some of the things or a multitude of things that are going to be asked of you when you are applying for life insurance. And some of these things maybe you haven't thought of, or they'll kind of surprise you during the application process. So we're going to go over those right now real quick, and stick around till the end. Because I do have one of the most important that you're not going to be able to start your policy without. Number one, obviously, your full name. Okay, this is pretty important. Then we're going to go with your date of birth. And then here's one that you maybe didn't think of: where you were born, either the state or the country you were born in. Your physical address where you presently live. Your email address, because you're probably going to receive a copy of the policy in your email, and you can request it to be sent to your house as well. Then they're definitely going to ask you some health questions, provided that you're not applying for some sort of guaranteed issue life insurance policy. And depending on the company and the amount of coverage, you may have to undergo a physical or medical exam. But not all companies do that, but they are going to ask you about your health history, and the prescriptions that you're on. Your beneficiary, because hey, you're probably buying this policy for your beneficiary. So the beneficiary's name, they may ask for their date of birth, and they may even ask for their social security number, depending on the company and the type of life insurance you are applying for. Now here's the big one. You're going to have to pay for this. So the life insurance company is going to want to get your checking or savings account number. Yes, I know this astounds a lot of people, but if you can't provide a form of payment to the life insurance company, they're not even going to submit your application. You have to show financial responsibility that you're going to be able to pay for it not only this month, but every month from here on out. The coverage amount. Hey, do you want $2,000? Do you want 20 grand? Do you want 50 grand, $100,000? How much coverage do you need to get? That's going to have a big bearing on the rate you're going to pay every month. Well, your gender. Yes, that is important, because if you're female like me, you're going to pay less for your life insurance. Your height and weight. Most companies are going to ask this. Typically, if you're going to apply with a company that is going to give you immediate coverage, meaning your coverage starts the day that the policy starts, and you did have health-related questions or a physical exam, they are going to ask your approximate height and weight. And do you have any existing life insurance policies? If you do, is this policy going to replace it, or are you just adding on, meaning are you just purchasing some additional life insurance? And here's an important one. What day are you going to start the policy? That means if you're speaking to your agent on the 1st, you could choose your start date to be the 3rd of the month, the 4th Wednesday, whatever it may be. Typically, most life insurance companies are going to let you choose the date. A lot of times this will coincide with a Social Security payment, maybe your retirement payment, whatever it may be, and it will be the same every month. Oh, here's my last one. This is super important. I almost forgot. Your Social Security number. Yes, I know you're not going to like to hear that, but your Social Security, they're going to do a multitude of things with your Social Security number, and it's all in your benefit. A, they're going to make sure you're as healthy as you say you are. They're also going to check your prescription history. They're going to make sure that you are the person that you say you are. You know, if you're trying to use somebody else's Social Security number, it's going to bounce back that that Social Security number is not correct. They're going to make sure that you haven't been engaging in any insurance fraud. They may also check your credit history, and that's about it. They just want to make sure that you are who you say you are, you're as healthy as you say you are, and that you're in good standing, and that you are a person that they want to write a policy with. So there you have it. If you have any other questions about applying for life insurance, just let me know down in the comments. You can also email me at arrowfinalexpense, and I'll see you guys next time.